Hello guys, today I will be showing you
How to set a song as ringtone on Android.
If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start.
So in order for you to do that, you just have to go to your phone settings, go to sounds and vibration. Under sounds and vibration, you can see here different options. So you can see here ringtone if you want to increase or decrease volume, and you should see this option, phone ringtone. Tap on this one. Now you can select if SIM 1 or SIM 2, but as you can see, there is this option, music on device, where you can select a specific song or music from your folder, from your phone or file, and set this as your ringtone. So you just have to download any song or any music and then select this as your ringtone here on your Android. Aside from that, you can also select any ringtones and customize your sound. So basically, you can choose from any of this below. For example, if you want to set a different ringtone for your SIM 1 or your SIM 2. But basically, if you want to set a song as ringtone on Android, then go to device and download music and songs first before you do that so that you can select that specific song for your ringtone here. So that's how easy it is to set a song as ringtone on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.